everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Studios. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can sign up in the Remind app. So for that, you need to open a Chrome browser on your device. After you open the Chrome browser, on the top of the screen, you will see the search bar. Tap on it, and here you need to type in the remind.com and click on the enter on your keyboard. You will be guided to this page where you will need to click on the login, and then you will be guided to this login page. Here you will need to click on the sign up. Next to don't have an account option, click on it. Here you need to enter your email address or phone number. After you enter your email address or phone number, click on the continue option, and then the confirmation code will be appeared on the number you have entered. After you entered your confirmation code, then you need to click on the submit, and then you will be easily sign up or log in into the Remind application. So this is it guys. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notification of our further videos on this channel.